For this project we only need three things. We've got the brain board, we've got two different types of buzzers here, we'll just see how they both work, and a USB cable to connect it up and run the program. So first of all we grab the buzzer. This one just has two pins. You can see there a short pin and a long pin. So the short pin is the negative. That needs to go into the ground slot, and the long pin, the positive, needs to go into the 11 pin. So we just push that in there. That's basically it. We then attach our USB cable to the brain board, plug the other end to the computer, and we will run the program. So I've connected the brain board to the computer. I've copied the code. I'll just paste that in. Now if we hit this arrow that turns up white when you hover over it, that will push the program to the board. We can see you can save a sketch name. And you can see down here it says compiling sketch. No errors indicated. And here we go, we're running the program now. You can see the lights are on the brain board, and you can hear the tick. Now we can use a different type of buzzer. So we can see on the buzzer that we did use, it's got two pins. The short one is the negative, that went into ground, and the long one, the spacing was such that it went into pin 11. But if I use this other component we've bought, this has got three pins. So we've got the negative terminal is the one on the left here, the positive terminal is the one on the right, and the middle terminal, we don't actually need that to do anything. But you can see if I pick this board up and I plug the negative pin into ground, you can actually see that the positive pin is going into 12. So what that means is we'll just need to adjust the code slightly so that it does the output to pin 12. So we'll plug this in, change the code and run it and see if we get the same result. So we'll just put in the same code, and what we want to do is change from pin 11 to pin 12. So in void setup, I'll just redefine the output as pin 12, and then for digital write, we'll change that to 12 as well. Now if we upload the sketch to the brain board, we can see here it's compiling, and we can hear that the ticking clock is working there. Okay, so a simple adjustment to the code to adjust for the different buzzer with the different pins.